A small game bird, once in all of Pennsylvania's 67 counties before it vanished back in the 1990s, is back. A dozen wild bobwhite quail are being released at Letterkenny Army Depot in Franklin County, where Seth Kaplan reports.
So this project started in 2016. We talked with the Game Commission about doing this, and in 2017 habitat work actually started on to create bobwhite quail habitat here.
At Letterkenny Army Depot, how big a deal is that?
So they used to be in all 67 counties, but as human encroachment took place and major human disturbances, habitat loss is why these birds are currently gone.
Down to 0 in Pennsylvania because of habitat loss until now. Still in the wild elsewhere.
We currently have birds from Virginia, Kentucky, and also Florida. The birds we'll be releasing today will be from Florida.
And there they went, that quickly. The first 12, 6 males, 6 females, of eventually who knows how many. Matt Miller has been doing this kind of work since 2007. I asked him where this project ranks among all of them, and he didn't hesitate.
This is my top project so far.
In Franklin County, Seth Kaplan, ABC 27 News.
Beautiful birds.